Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix control center power button not working in iPhone 17 Air. So let's start the video. First of all, open control center. Now here this is power button. It's not working, so click on this. So it's not working, so again swipe down, click on hold. So this is not working, so again click on this power button, click and hold. You will see power button is working. There is another way of phone restart. So click the power button and volume down button. At the time you will see power button is turn right. So that's how you can fix control center power button not working in iPhone 17 Air. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.